about the break in transmission. Let's just continue from here. I'm sharing my screen. Okay. Can you see my screen? If you can see my screen, just type yes so we can shoot. Can you see my screen? Okay. So as I was saying, smart money concept teaches us how to trade like banks and other big institutions. Okay. So basically, we want to know how are the banks thinking? Like, how are all these big institutions, financial institutions, what are they thinking? Where would they wait for price? So we basically just want to think like them. We want to think smartly. So that's what smart money concept is all about. And basically, our strategy, if anybody asks you, what do you trade? I trade smart money concept. That is our strategy. And in this our strategy now, there are certain things we need to see on the chart. There are certain things we need to see on the chart before we can decide to take a buy or a sell entry. You get me? Remember I told you guys that we don't trade based on sentiment. We don't trade based on sentiment. There is a reason for every decision you make on the chart. Do you understand me? There is a reason for every decision you make on the chart. There's a reason to take a buy, there's a reason to take a sell. So you don't just trade based on I want to place a trade or I want to trade. That's not how we do it. You understand? So now, when trading smart money concept, we need to first understand the market structure. That's the first thing you look out for. There are things you need to look out for. Number one, you have to understand the market structure. You have to first understand the market structure. Then you have to look for breaker structure. Look for the most recent break of structure. Then number three, we have to look for the origin that caused the break of structure. Look, I'm just typing this out so that it will be easier when you guys are going back to the video. Look for the origin that caused the break of structure. Then the next one is you look for other confluences. Look for other confluences that will make your origin valid. And the confluences could be liquidity. They include liquidity, fair value gap, or is imbalance. Let's write that as imbalance. Imbalance. Fair value gap, fair value gap and imbalance are the same thing. Liquidity imbalance and change of character. Change of character. So, as a smart money concept trader, you need to first of all understand the market structure. Look for the most recent break of structures. Look for the origin that caused the break of structure. Look for other confluences that will make your origin valid. How do we know this origin is valid? Do you understand? Then you, and these confluences might include liquidity, imbalance, and change of character. So you need to see all these things. You need to see all of this on the chart to be able to take an entry. Do you understand? So we're going to be looking at them one after the other. We're going to look at them one after the other. So we're going to start with the market structure. So how many of you guys watched the video in the video group? Like, do you guys even have idea of when we say the market, when we talk about market structure? Did anybody watch the video in the video group? When we talk about market structure, we mean the overall trend of the market. Market structure has to do with the overall trend of the market. Where is the market going to? Is it moving up or down? The way the market is moving, that is what we mean by market structure. And as a trader, the first thing and your foundational knowledge has to do with understanding the market structures. Because if you don't understand the market structure, you cannot, like, you will be so confused that you will never know what price is even doing or where to wait for price or anything. Do you get me? You need first of all understand the market structure. You need to know where is the market going to, what is the overall trend of the market. You need to understand the overall bias of the market. Do you understand? So that's what we mean by market structure. It refers to the overall trend and pattern of price movement. Where is price moving to? Where is price heading to? Do you understand me? That is what we mean by market structure. And we have okay, do you guys understand the meaning of market structure do you guys understand the meaning of market structure before I proceed? If you understand, say yes. If you don't understand, just tell me that I don't understand though. So that's that I will know if I should go back. Do you understand the meaning of market structure? You don't understand gifts. Okay. What I mean is by market structure is that where the market is going to, what trend is the market? That's the meaning of market structure. Do you understand me? I don't know why this kidney coin is just here. I don't even know what's happening today. This my, I'm sorry, but I cannot even see my screen again. Okay. Okay. You guys can see my screen now, Abby. Gift, you said you don't understand the meaning of market structure. So when you hear market structure, it means understanding the overall trend of the market, where the market is pushing out and pushing to. It's just the way that price moves in the market. This is the market. So we want to understand how is price moving. We want to look at this chart and understand what the market is saying. So understanding market structure basically has to do with understanding what the market is telling us, understanding what the market is printing out. What is the market saying? What is the market doing? That's what we mean by market structure. We want to know where the market is going to. Is the market moving up? Is it moving down? Is it ranging? That is basically what we mean by market structure. How is price moving in this market? Do you understand? And we have three types of market structure. Please, you guys should really pay attention because this is your foundational knowledge. If you don't understand market structure, we cannot move. Oh. We have the bullish market structure. That's why I sent a video. I sent a video. I sent a video earlier. I don't know how many people watched it. Bullish market structure, bearish market structure, and the ranging market structure. So trust me, I cannot really be typing the definitions. You guys should just listen. The bullish market structure. This is a market structure that is moving to the upside. When the market is moving to the upside, it means the market is bullish and it is creating higher high and higher lows. When the market is moving to the upside, market is moving like this. Where's my pass? I don't even know what was doing my trading view this evening. Um, you people, my part is not working. Okay. Anyway, basically, when they say the market is bullish, it means the market is pushing to the upside, creating higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. That's how it keeps moving. It keeps moving to the upside. Look at this movement now. Look at this movement now. This movement here. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. This movement now, this market, as you are seeing it, as it's moving up like this, as it's moving up like this, it is bullish. The market is bullish. The bulls are in. The bullish market structure is just when the market is going to the upside, creating higher highs and higher lows to the upside. So when the market is like this, it means the market is bullish. Do you understand? You stay on place. When market leave me alone now, what is wrong with you? When the market is moving up like this, ignore that last drawing soon. When the market is moving up like this, moving like this, without clearing each other, it is bullish. It is moving to the upside. When the market is moving to the upside, the market is bullish. Do you understand? See this market now is moving to the upside. It's moving to the upside, creating higher highs and higher lows. That is what we mean by a bullish market structure. Anytime you see the market, anytime you open a chart and you see the market is moving up, as the thing is moving up like this, means that the market is bullish. It is creating higher highs and higher lows. Higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low. It is moving like this. It is moving to the upside. This is what we mean by a bullish market structure. It's moving up, moving up. That's what we mean by a bullish market structure. So do you guys understand what we mean by a bullish market structure? If you don't understand, please tell me so that I'll explain it again. Do you understand what we mean by a bullish market structure? Everybody understands what we mean by a bullish market structure. Okay. Anytime you open a chart and you see the market is moving up, just know that the market is bullish. Now, a bearish market structure. A bearish market structure is when the market is moving to the downside. Okay, let me explain something. When the market is bullish, based on what you guys know about trading, what do you do? Do you buy or sell? Do you buy or sell when the market is bullish? When the overall trend of the market is bullish, when it is running a bullish trend, do you buy or sell? I want to hear your answer. Eh? Omo, why am I saying sell? You buy. You buy, yo. Anytime the market is bullish, thank God I did not forget that. Anytime the market is bullish, we are looking for buy opportunities. Look for buy opportunities. Opportunities. It means the buyers are in full force. You are looking to buy. Anytime the market is bullish, you look for buy opportunities. We are looking to buy. We're not looking to sell. We're looking to buy that pair. Do you understand? When the market is bullish, we are looking for buy opportunities. That's why you have to follow the trend. You have to make the trend your friend. You have to understand. You have to understand. You have to understand the market trend before you can even think of taking any entry. You understand? You have to make the trend your friend. You look for buy opportunities in the market. When the market is bullish, you look for buy opportunities. Do you guys understand? Did I make myself clear? Did I make myself clear? Please reply in the comment. Let me be sure that you guys understand what I mean by a bullish market structure. When the market is bullish, you are looking to buy. We're not looking to sell. Do you understand? Maybe I'm talking to myself like this. I don't know. Gift says she understands. As far as gift understand, me, I'm moving on to the next. Okay. Kilili by what's this? Now, the next type of market structure that we have is the bearish market structure. So based on your understanding of the bullish market structure, what do we mean by the bearish market structure? When I say the market is bearish, what do I mean? When you look at the chart and you say that the market is bearish, what do you mean? What do you understand by the bearish market structure? Anybody, just try. Based on your understanding of, you buy when it is rising because it is rising, price is increasing, yeah, it is bullish. That's just how it is. You buy when it is rising, you sell when it is depreciating, when it is going down. That's how it is. That's forex for you. You buy when the market is in an uptrend and you sell when the market is in a downtrend. So now a bullish market structure means that the market is in an uptrend, so you look for buy opportunities. Do you understand? Bullish market structure means that the market is in an uptrend and you look for buy opportunities. Do I make myself clear? So based on your understanding of bullish market structure, what do you understand by bearish market structure? Exactly, when the market is pushing to the downside. The market is bearish when it is pushing to the downside. It is creating lower highs and lower lows. This part should just behave itself. Okay, let me try. When it is moving to the downside. Oh God, abeg. Just know that when the market is moving to the downside, it is bearish. But I want to draw it for you people. I don't know why this part is just, it's not just respecting its anti today. Like, I don't get. Exactly. When the market is moving like this, to the downside, to the downside, to the downside, this is a bearish market structure. When the market is moving to the downside, the market is bearish. Do you understand? As far as it's moving, breaking structures to the downside, it is bearish. And when the market is bearish, we are looking for sell opportunities. You saw when the market is pushing down, like this market now that I'm trying to draw, and part does not want to behave itself. It is pushing to the downside. Anyway, let me go to a chart that is bearish. Basically, BTC has been bearish for the past couple of months. So let's see. All my analysis on BTC. Okay. See, market is going down. It's going down. That's what I was trying to draw. Let's go to lower time. Let's go to daily time frame. Market is going down. Is going down. Is going down. That is what we mean by a bearish market structure. So this market now is bearish. We don't have any join on Coinbase sharp. This market is bearish because it is going down. This is what I was trying to draw with that nonsense, with this nonsense. Creating lower highs, lower low. Behave yourself. Lower high, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low. So this market is bearish because it is pushing to the downside. And when the market is pushing to the downside, we are looking to sell. Do you understand? When the market is pushing to the downside, we're looking to sell. Do you guys understand what we mean by bearish and bullish market structure? When the market is pushing to the downside, we're looking to sell. Look for sell opportunities when the market is bearish. So when it is bearish, it is in a downtrend. It's in a downtrend. Let me put that in brackets. It is in a downtrend, creating lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. That's how it is. Do you understand? If you don't understand, tell me in the comment section if you don't understand. Do you understand what we mean by a bearish market structure? Pressure mark, gift, Rita. Do you understand? Rejoice. Do you guys understand? Do you understand what we mean by a bearish market structure and a bullish market structure? So if I open an empty chart now, people will be able to tell me the market structure. Yeah, now let's look for another chart. Let's use GBP. Let's use GBP AU. Okay, GBP AUD. Oh no. Let's go to lower time frame. From here to here, okay, don't worry. Remove. Then we'll use rectangle. This place inside my rectangle, what market structure is that? What's the market structure there? Bullish or bearish? Please don't tell me it's going, don't reply me uptrend or downtrend. You reply as a forex trader. Tell me, is the market bullish or bearish? This place now that's inside my rectangle, is it bullish or bearish? Is the market bullish or bearish? Oh, I'm waiting. Correct. It is bearish. Here, what's the market structure here? What's happening here? Is it bullish or bearish? Here, this new place that I put it, is it bullish or bearish? Good. I'll open another chart. Let's use GBP USD. What's the current market trend? Bullish or bearish? What's the current market trend? Bullish or bearish? What is on this for this in this my rectangle now? What's the current market trend? When you hear current market trend, it means the recent structure, what is currently happening in the market. So currently, the market is, what is it? It is bullish. Currently, the market is bullish. When the market is going up, it means it is bullish. When it is going down, it means it is bearish. Then, you remain one. That is the ranging market. Let's go back to XAU. I said we have three types of. So when it is, oh no. When it is bearish, what are we looking for? Are we looking to buy or sell? Are we looking to buy or sell when the market is bearish? When the market is bearish, what are we looking for? Exactly. We're looking to sell. Good, you guys are following. I like that. We look for sell opportunities. So as a forex trader, the trend must be your friend. Don't see a market that is going up and expect it to start dropping. Do you understand? You make the trend your friend. If the market is going up, be looking for how will I join this buy? How will I join this sell? Don't say the market is selling and you're looking to buy. No be a propaganda market. You're supposed to look for how you will join the trend. You follow the trend. As a forex trader, the trend must be your friend. Do you understand? The trend must be your friend. So now the last kind of market structure, the last type of market structure that we have is the ranging market. Now, when we talk about the ranging market, it means that the market is going in no direction. It is creating equal highs and equal lows. The market is moving in no particular direction. It is not going up, it is not going down. And this is what I mean by a ranging market. This part is behaving itself. Oh. So this is what I mean by a ranging market. The market is not going in any particular direction. It is just creating equal highs and equal lows. So it also means that the market is consolidating. Do you understand me? It also means that the market is consolidating. It's creating equal highs, equal lows, equal highs, equal low. Our Zoom will end, our class will end in the next 10 minutes. Okay. It's creating equal highs and equal lows. It means the market is going in no particular direction. Do you guys understand me? When the market is ranging, it's not going anywhere. It's not telling us if it's moving up or it's moving down. It is a trap. When the market is consolidating like this, ranging or consolidating, they are all the same thing. When it is consolidating like this, it is a trap. Do not enter. Stay away from the market. The market will it will chop your money. When it is consolidating, it's not moving in any particular direction. stay out of the market. Do not trade. You trade only when the trend is clear, when when it is either bullish or bearish. But when it is ranging, don't trade. Okay, let me show you guys chart examples. Let's look for chart examples of a ranging market. I think around August, gold was ranging badly. Exactly. Yes. Okay, July to August, yes, gold was ranging badly. So now, this market, what is happening here? What is happening here? Tell me in the comment section. From this first rectangle box to this second rectangle box, what is happening inside of here? Tell me in the comment. I'm waiting. You guys have 8 more minutes, so let's do fast. Nobody. No, it is ranging. It is not going in any particular direction. It is ranging. When we say the market is ranging, it means that the market is going in no particular direction. It is just creating equal high. Everything here is equal, the same. Equal high, equal low. It is the same. It is not going in any particular direction. This is what we mean by ranging market. And when the market is consolidating like this, do not trade. Do not trade when the market is ranging. The market was ranging around August 25th. Then as at September, it broke out. It broke out and it started moving to the upside. Do you guys understand? Am I making sense? It was ranging from April to August. This is the daily time frame. That's why you're seeing it like this. It was ranging badly. Then it broke out. It broke out to the upside. So when the market is ranging, don't trade. Stay out. Or go and look at another pair. Don't trade a ranging market. So now we're just going to be looking at different. We have 6 more minutes. So you guys should be replying very fast in the comments. I'll be opening different pairs and you guys will be telling me what the market is saying. This is what's the current market trend here? What's the current market trend in Euro USD? What's the current market trend? Please reply fast. We have 6 more minutes. What is the current market trend here? Let me be happy that people have even gotten market structure today. If that's anything we achieve. What is the current market trend here in this rectangle? The current market trend. Rejoice, Gift, Peshoma, Rita. What is the current market trend? Nobody. So since morning we have been wasting our time. Nobody. The current market trend. Peshoma, did you say ranging? Gift, did you say bullish? As far as this market is going up, it is moving up, so it is bullish. Peshoma, please, like you're getting yourself confused. This market is going up. See, creating higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low. You can see it's trying to shoot back up. It is bullish. Don't confuse yourself. You need to understand market structure. I mean, I even thought we'll do break of structure today, safe. Hey. Okay. Let's look at USD JPY. Let's see what's happening here. It's still bullish. I don't want a bullish. Let's see USD CHF. Sharp. What is happening here? In just this my tiny rectangle. What is happening? In this my rectangle here. What is happening? What is happening here? We have 4 more minutes. What is happening here? What's the current market structure? This is the current market price, Abi. This is what the market is currently doing. So what is happening? Tell us. What's the market telling us? What's the story the market is telling us? Is it bearish? Is it bullish? Is it ranging? Which one is it? Is it bearish? Is it bullish? Is it ranging? Gift, I said in the only thing that I highlighted, just what I highlighted. Yes, you are correct. This market is bullish because it's moving down. You are very, very correct. But this place now that I highlighted now, it is ranging. It has not told us if it wants to continue the downtrend or the uptrend. It is ranging. But generally, if I expand the rectangle like this, the market is bearish. But here, these recent structures, the market is ranging. These recent structures, the market is ranging. Do you understand? Here, just inside this rectangle, the market is ranging. Means that the market is not going in any particular direction. And when the market is ranging, what do we do? Do we buy, do we sell, or do we wait? What do we do when the market is ranging? Do we trade when the market is ranging? Yes or no? Let me see USD JPY. GBP JPY. Exactly, you do not trade. When the market is ranging, do not trade. This one is still bullish. Which pair? Basically, only Ethereum. Yes, Ethereum should be bearish. ETH, Ethereum US dollar. Exactly. I said it. Sharp. So now we have 2 more minutes. So from here to here, from here I'm going to place my. I'm not even going to place my rectangle. As a forex trader, you have learned. Looking at this chart, what is the current market structure? When you open the clean chart and they say, what is the current market structure? Rejoice, Peshoma, Gift, what is the current market structure? What is the current story this market is seeing? What's happening here? The current market structure. What's happening? What's the current market structure in this chart? Exactly, it is bearish. Peshoma, it is bearish. It is bearish. It is not bullish. I think maybe you said the market is bullish because of maybe these candlesticks, but all these things is still going to go down. It's creating lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So it's trying to create a lower high, then it will still go down to create a lower low. So the market is bearish. So basically, that is all for today. Please, I'm going to drop assignment to the assignment chat. You do your assignment. I want to be sure that everybody understands market structure. Next week, Tuesday, we are going to do break of structure. But if you guys understand market structure, maybe on Sunday, we can now say, let's do break of structure so we can move faster. But I don't want to rush you people. So maybe on Tuesday or Monday, I'll put it open for you guys to decide where we'll have our next class. Okay? So that is it. The recorded video will be sent to the video chat. So I'll see you guys next week. Bye.